quick and healthy meal. This is our oatmeal here. Hey guys, Brittany Walker here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing 3 simple, quick, healthy, nutritious breakfast recipes that you can make on the go before you go to work, or if you're just simply on the go. Before we get started, don't forget to go down and click that like button if you like this video, and just go down and subscribe so you can see more content such as healthy recipes, also fitness. I do have workout videos as well, and beauty videos is coming soon as well. So ready, let's get started. For our first meal, we're just starting off with toast. We're gonna spread some peanut butter on the toast. Get a little good healthy fat in the morning. And I did wash my hands, so my hands are clean. Just to let you know, this toast is multi-grain bread. I don't use white bread because it really doesn't have any benefits to you. And then we're just gonna put some bananas on the top. Some potassium in the morning time, and plus it helps with digestion and gut health. Bananas do. And then we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of honey on top. I'm just using this honey. Sprinkling just a little bit, just to add a little sweetness. With more than the bananas. This is it. This is our first quick and healthy meal. Super quick, super healthy. And I'm gonna eat this before I go to work. Off with my favorite breakfast. We're gonna start off by sauteing zucchini. Adding mushrooms. And this is just another way to get all your veggies in too. That's another reason why I love this breakfast. Gonna put a little bit complete seasoning on here. I'm just gonna add some spinach in here. I told you we getting in all our vegetables this morning, first thing in the morning. You will love this breakfast. It is so good. So we're gonna now we will just add in 2 eggs and then scramble that with the This is our other meal. I just put no sugar added ketchup with a little bit of sriracha on top of the eggs. And I just have a whole wheat sprouted grain toast with it. And I'm just going to eat this. It looks like a lot of food, but I'm hungry. I worked out this morning, so. Okay, last meal we have is oatmeal. Not any type of oatmeal. This will be a nutritious oatmeal, and I'll show you how. Putting oats in here. I didn't measure the amount of oats, and then we'll put a little bit of water and put it in the microwave. We're just going to cut our fruit to go on top, so we're starting with peaches. peaches are cut, we're just gonna cut a little bit of banana so we can put that on top too. Oatmeal is done. I just added a little bit of almond milk and mixed it in there and then put on 1 more minute, so that's why it looks a little runny. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I'm not measuring it, just a little bit, because the sweetness is gonna come from the fruit too. Mix that in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of ground flax seeds for some good omega-3s. So omega-3 is just good for the heart health too, just in case you didn't know. And also flax seeds have protein in it too, so like if you're vegan or pescatarian like me and you don't really eat meat, flaxseed and chia seed is a good way to get your protein in. Put a little bit of ground cinnamon too, which is good for your blood sugar. Now we gonna put our peaches in there. We're gonna put our bananas on top too. Which, in case you didn't know, bananas is good for digestion as well. And they have potassium. We're gonna add some strawberries in there too, which is really good in antioxidants. Plus it tastes good. Have a little sweetness. So this is our oatmeal here. This meal literally only took me 5 minutes. So you can make this before you go to work, or if you're home and want a good nutritious meal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These 3 simple, nutritious, healthy breakfast recipes. Don't forget to go down and subscribe, like this video so you can see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.